guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool AE watermark on CapCut PC. So first you are going to select any video that you want, and I'm going to just type in green screen, and I'm just going to add the second thing that came up. Go to text and add in a text, and I'm just going to type in watermark. You can also change the font if you'd like to. I'm just going to do that real quick. And don't forget to add in a shadow to it as well. Then I'm going to basically select these, export still frame, and I'm going to change the font real quick. So that it's a little bit easier to see. Just trying to find like a bold font, because you do need like a bold one for it. Select the 3 lines, export still frame, make sure you import it to your project. Delete these, go to media, go to local, and add in that watermark. And I'm just going to copy and paste that video, and I'm going to make it like a little bit smaller, and I'm going to like place it here, for instance. Then I am going to select the mask, and I'm going to select cutout. Sorry, go to chroma key, and we're going to select the white bit first, adjust the strength, and add in the shadow. I'm actually going to place the watermark here. I'm also going to select the video here, and I'm going to go to adjustments, and I'm going to adjust the brightness, and I'm going to adjust the contrast of it as well, and the saturation. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go to video again, go to cutout, go to chroma key, and we're going to now select the green bit, and we're going to adjust the strength, and we're going to add in shadow. Then we are going to crop the rest out like so, or you can do the mask instead. Here, I'll just actually do the mask rectangle and place it like so, and now you have an AE like watermark. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!